Okay, here we are, 16435 Carlisle. Move-in day. There's the outside. New roof on this house just in the fall. Coming in the front door here. It's got a new entry door on there. Entry is slate. Here we are in the living room. Hardwood floors, obviously. New blinds. Slate in the hallway. Bedroom number 1. Bathroom. New vanity, new toilet, new blinds, new floor. Shower was done before when we did the original renovation. Glazed tub. Here's bedroom number 2 downstairs. Ceiling fan in this one. Then we go upstairs. I like this one. It's all the knotty pine. Nice size room. Really nice closets. Full size closets up here, 3 of them. Attic access. Here we are in the kitchen, dining area. New floor in here, new blinds. We did that tile when we originally did this, new cabinets when we did it. And then we go down the basement. New carpet on the steps here. Nice big open space here. We tiled this originally. Here's the laundry. Nice shelving in here, everywhere, all the way around. Utility sink with your washer and dryer hookups. Here's the new water heater, just installed this week. New furnace, just installed. Electrical panel good. And there it is. 16435 Carlisle. Waiting on a tenant to get here to move in to her new home. Nice backyard here too. Good size. 2-car garage. We put new doors on there when we originally did this too, so there it is.